explanation for Mishnah Bet. משנתנו בא לציין, our Mishnah comes to teach us, באיזה מקום בקודש הקודשים היה נותן הכהן הגדול במחתר בית שני, which place in the Holy of Holies the Kohen, the high priest, used to put the coals in the second temple. מאחר שלא היה שם ארון, because there was no ark over there. כשניטל הארון, from the time that the ark was taken, בחורבן בית ראשון, in destruction of the first temple, it actually wasn't in destruction, it was like 150, 180 years before the destruction of the first temple, it was hidden. וכבר הזכרנו, we already mentioned, שנחלקו בזה תנאים, that the תנאים have a disagreement in it. יש סוברים שגלה לבבל, there are those who thinks that it was exiled to Babylon, שנאמר, ולתשובת השנה שלח המלך נבוכדנצר ויביאו בבל עם כלי חמדת בית השם, and it says that the king Nebuchadnezzar brought him with the vessel of the pleasure, of the best vessel of the house of God, and they say that refers to the ark. ודרשו איזה כלי חמדת בית השם, which is the special vessel of the house of God, זה הארון, this is the ark. ויש סוברים שנגנז על ידי ישעיה המלך, it says no, it was hidden by Yeshaya the king, מכל מקום בבית שני לא היה ארון. But nevertheless, it doesn't matter. For sure, there's a question if it was there in the first temple. In the second temple, we know for sure it wasn't there. אלא אבן הייתה שמה. But there was a stone over there. בקודש הקודשים, in the holy of the holy, in the holy of holies. When was the stone? מימות נביאים ראשונים. The stone was always there from the days of the first prophets. In other words, from the days of Shmuel and David, there was already this stone. ושתייה הייתה נקראת. It was called אבן השתייה. This is the dome of the rock. Yeah, this is where the dome of the rock is. Yeah, that's where it is. בברייתא בגמרא מבואר, in the Braita it explains, על שם שממנה הושתת העולם. It's not שתיית drink, it is because the יסוד, the base of the world was created, תשתית, very good. הושתת העולם, the whole base of the world is taken from there. וכן אמרו חכמים, and this is what the sages says, מציון נברא העולם. From this place the world was created. מתחילה נברא ציון. In the beginning, the first thing that was created was this rock. וסביבה נדבקו רגבים מכל צד עד סוף העולם. And then everything else was stuck to it, slowly, slowly. שנאמר, because it says in Tehillim, כל כאלוקים, it says God דיבר, he spoke, ויקרא ארץ ממזרח, he called the land from the east, שמש עד מבואו, the sun until it comes, מציון מכלל יפי אלוקים מופיע. From Zion, from this stone, all the beauty of God presented itself. ממנו מוכלל יופיו של העולם. From it, all the beauty of the world came. יש מפרשים, there are those who explain, שממנה הושתת העולם. That from it the world was created. ששם נתייסד תכלית העולם המכוון בו. That is the reason why the world exists. This stone. והרמב"ם כותב, and the Rambam writes, פירוש שתייה, what does it mean שתייה? יסוד, base. כי מקום העבודה יסוד העולם, כמו שהזכרנו בתחילת אבות. Because the service of the Kohanim in the temple, this is the reason why the world exists. ואבן השתייה הייתה, and the stone was, גבוהה מן הארץ 3 אצבעות. It was up from the ground 3 fingers. Yeah. No. It was most of it was in the ground, and it was sticking out 3 fingers. Yeah. Today it's much more, by the way, because the Romans, if you remember, they plowed the entire land. Yeah. Because the Romans plowed the entire temple. Yeah. Yeah, you saw it? ועליה היה נותן. And where would he put the shovel with the coals? He used to put the shovel of the coals on it. On the stone. הכהן הגדול את המחטא ביום הכיפורים מקטיר את הריח. He would put it on the stone, and there he would put the incense. That was the place.